for that because it's just too hard. Oops. Just open it. You know, just enough to get his foot in there.
For fun.
A little bit, maybe a little bit more than that, but not much more. There you go.
Hold on. Is it 1A?
It's 1A, yes. Back to 1A. Yeah, it's on the second. Did you get the band number for her? Just verify the last 2 digits on the bottom.
Must be 23.
23.
Yeah, okay. There you go.
Take it in my left hand.
Yeah, if you're right-handed, yeah, you would put the bird in your left hand.
Oh.
Oh, is he already banded? Oh, he's a recap. Yeah. I'm sorry. So just leave that blank and go to the very beginning. I'll put this back up here. Go to the front page there, and that's the recapture page.
He's number 18.
So I'll put the date down. I think he's our first recap today.
See this red? This
could
is
be
gray. This little bit of brown.
Right, okay.
Yearling.
Could be a little old. I mean,
The first year.
You like it,
So put a head here, and it's going to be a U because we can't tell the sex of that. We'll measure it up.
All right.
The reason I was asking if they were bands with certain numbers from a certain sign is that automatic, you know, it's not more sign. Right. Right. It's
85.
okay. She goes and then she travels per person. Yeah. Just in terms of finding information right away. That it's not we miswrote the number down. It's from
Where you're looking at the pattern.
Of course, this is all very
Every species has its little indicators. Some of them are barred, some of them
Well,
and
is it always that particular tail feather that are
keep catching the same bird, you know, over and over. And,
No, I didn't see it.
yeah, they don't like it anymore.
The resident birds almost never have that.
Monitor their condition.
Okay, guys, you ready to go?
In another couple weeks, we won't get any more birds.